Hey everybody, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day, a typical day, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I have lost 15 pounds so far and I have more to go. I've got goals that I'm still working towards. As far as my diet goes, I didn't cut anything in particular. I tried to eat not too much dairy. I cut white carbs. And I try to monitor my sweets and not have too much refined sugar, only sugars found in natural products like fruit and stuff. So that's pretty much what I eat. I don't limit myself too much. If I want a cookie, I'll have a cookie. I just have it in moderation, everything in moderation, portion sizes, drink a lot of water, work out, and I just feel better, I look better. Everything is just better when you nourish your body. So I wanted to share with you guys some meals that I make. In this video, I show you a breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In this video, I am cooking for my fiance. It was a rare day where my fiance was working from morning until night. So I was by myself all day. So I had breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I was cooking just for one. So hopefully this will help some of you who are single or are only cooking for one get some ideas. I try to eat around 1,380 calories per day or less. I count and monitor my calories. That's how I've lost the weight. I'm in a calorie deficit. So yeah, I hope you guys keep watching and thumbs up the video, subscribe. I appreciate your views and your support. And yeah, keep on watching. Okay, so I just got home from the gym and I am gonna make 2 eggs with some egg white. I'm just gonna whisk this together. Okay, so I am going to bring my turkey sausage over, or my turkey bacon actually. I ended up making a piece of wheat toast and I put half a serving of my Smart Balance butter on it. And then I am gonna make some tea. I have my electric kettle here. So just going to fill this up. The tea that I've been having lately is this organic turmeric tea by Traditional Medicinals. It's really good. So I'm gonna have one of these. So in my tea, I am gonna squeeze in some lemon. I am also going to put in some ACV. This is my second bottle. So it's a brand new one. I finished one whole bottle of Bragg's apple cider vinegar already, which is insane. Our water is boiling. It's almost done. There it is. It's finished. So I'm just gonna add that to my mug, my tea bag, and my ACV, and my lemon. And that's gonna be delish. All done. That's my breakfast. So then what I do is I go on MyFitnessPal, I add a breakfast, and then I'm gonna add some eggs, and I had 2 eggs, so I add that in. And then I add the Trader Joe's egg whites, but it's not pulling it up, so I'm actually going to scan it. And I had only 1 serving. Yeah, I had 1 serving of the egg whites. So I'm gonna put that in. I'm gonna scan my turkey bacon, BRB. Here, so I have my 2 eggs, my egg whites, my turkey bacon, my bread slice, the butter spread. Don't forget the things that still have calories, even though it's a small amount of calories. I know that a lemon still has some calories. So I make sure to put that in there from my tea. Things that don't have any calories I don't put in, like this one is 0 calories and the Bragg's is 0 calories, so I don't put those in. But just be careful of all the, see, I took a bite because I'm starving. But just keep in mind of all the little things that you think would not add up, because they definitely do. So I'm gonna go eat and I'll see you at lunchtime. Okay, so it's super late. I just got back from a meeting. So I don't normally eat this late. Even my breakfast was late today. I'm super hungry. I'm gonna go ahead and make lunch, but I need something to snack on while I make lunch because I just can't wait. So I have these jumbo blueberries, which like they're huge. So I'm gonna weigh them so that I can make sure that I calculate the calories for them. And the way that I figure out the calories is I literally just Google it. So I look up blueberry calories. I see that 1 cup is 85 calories and that's 148 grams. So I go here to my scale and I set it on grams. And I'm gonna go ahead and start filling up my bowl. I'm gonna wash these right now, by the way. I'm making some super easy chicken fajitas. I just do some organic chicken breast tenders, some red onion, and some peppers. And it's really simple, but I thoroughly enjoy it. It's easy to make and quick. Honestly, that's good. I'm gonna cut it thinner, long ways, so we got thinner strips for our fajitas. And as this cooks down, I'm gonna go ahead and add oregano, salt, pepper, and spices. And here is my lunch. I put some cilantro on the top and it's so good. I'm telling you guys, like, delicious. When you're on a health journey, everything is fresh, everything is tasty, low calorie. We're staying within our calories for the day. It's gonna be really good. Okay, so I've been on my computer the past few hours editing the first half of this video and just clearing out my laptop because it's totally disorganized between my interior design files and my YouTube stuff and my personal stuff. It was a mess. So I've worked up an appetite and I'm ready to make dinner. So for tonight, I'm gonna have some salmon. This is about 6.2 ounces of salmon. You do have to be careful because salmon can get high calorie. This whole fillet is about 350 calories. So you just gotta work it into your calories for the day. If you've had a higher calorie breakfast and lunch, you might want to go for something leaner like chicken or another white fish that's lower in calorie. But I've got the calories for the day still to go, so I've set my oven to 450 and I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in. Okay, so with my salmon, I'm gonna have some brown rice and some broccoli. As much as I wanna say that I don't ever use the microwave, let's be real, the microwave is just super quick and easy. I literally get these packs from Trader Joe's and you open it up a little bit and you stick it in the microwave for 2 minutes and you got the perfect brown rice, and it's just so easy. I just love these, especially on weekdays where I'm coming home from work and I'm tired and I don't feel like cooking, but I want to stay healthy and I don't want to go out and order bad stuff. These really help. This thing is one of my favorite little gadgets. I got it from Daiso Japan and it's literally a steamer, and it comes with this little like sheet that I kept, but it tells you how long to microwave depending on what you are steaming. So for broccoli, it's just 2 minutes. I put the broccoli in here and I close the lid and I put it in the microwave for 2 minutes and it's perfectly steamed. Okay, so apologies if you hear all that noise in the background. I've got my electric kettle going because I'm craving another cup of my turmeric tea, and I've got the microwave going with my broccoli inside, but my brown rice is fresh out of the microwave and fluffy and perfect, just in 2 minutes. And to that, I'm gonna add cilantro, some lime, and some lemon. Okay, so this lime was super juicy. Sometimes they're not so juicy, so I only had to use half of it. And I used a tiny squeeze of the lemon, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this in my tea. But I mixed everything together, I just tasted it, and I put some salt as well, and it's just so good, so refreshing. Really pairs nicely with the salmon. Okay, so dinner is served. I'm gonna eat, probably knock out. Gym tomorrow morning, new day. Good night. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed these recipes. If you try them out, definitely let me know what you think. Let me know what you did differently, because I know when I see recipes, I usually don't do them exactly the way they show it. I add stuff, I take stuff away. So I'd love to hear about your rendition of my recipes, and maybe I'll try them out. Thank you.